students.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today our experiment is how the litmus paper convert in the acidic and basic solution. What color conversion is there in the acidic and basic solution of litmus paper? Okay. So firstly, litmus paper is having two colors. One is blue and second is red litmus paper. Okay. So now I am considering one acid, that is dilute sulfuric acid, and one is base, that is sodium hydroxide. We are considering here dilute acid. You know that concentration of acid is divided into two parts. One is the concentrated acid and second is the dilute acid. In the concentrated acid, acid percentage is more as comparative to water. But in the dilute acid, water concentration is more as comparative to acid. So firstly, I will take dilute sulfuric acid in the beaker. Then after that, we will take sodium hydroxide in the beaker. Then after that, we will notice the color conversion of these litmus paper. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So now, we will take this acid in this beaker. Clear? Then after that, we will take this base in the beaker. Which base we are using?
Sodium hydroxide.
Yes. Now firstly, I am taking the blue litmus paper and we will dip this litmus paper in the acidic solution. So now we will see. Can you tell me that what color conversion will be there in this litmus paper?
Acid turn blue to red and base turn red to blue.
Yes. Acid will turn this blue litmus paper into red. So now we will see. Color conversion is there.
Yes, ma'am.
This blue litmus paper get converted into red. Now we will see in base. What we will. Now I am taking this blue litmus paper and we dip in the base. No color conversion will be there. See. It will not change in any color. Okay? In acidic medium, only blue litmus paper get converted into red. In the bases, no color should be there. Understood? Now next, we will take red litmus paper. I am taking this red litmus paper. This is the dilute sulfuric acid. We will dip this litmus paper in the acidic medium. No color is there. No color is there, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
now we will see in the bases which color is there. In the bases, this red litmus paper will be converted into blue. You are able to see now?
Yes,
This red litmus paper get converted into the blue litmus paper. So from this experiment, we have concluded that in the acidic solution, our blue litmus paper get converted into red. Or in the basis solution, red litmus paper get converted into blue. Understood this experiment?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.